Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Fan Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a really simple cherry cobbler. Since cherries are in season right now, it's the perfect time to make it. I picked these cherries myself at a cherry farm. To get started, we're making the filling. Pit 5 cups of cherries with a cherry pitter or cut in half with a knife to get the pit out. Add the cherries to a pot, along with 2/3 cups of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Give it a stir and bring to a boil on medium heat. Simmer the filling for 5 to 10 minutes or until the cherries have softened and the filling has thickened. Then add the filling to an 8-inch baking dish. For the topping, add 1 cup of flour to a bowl, along with half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cold butter. Mix the butter in with your hands until incorporated into the flour. Then add 1/3 cup of milk and stir until everything is combined. Add spoonfuls of the topping evenly over the top of the cherry filling. It doesn't have to be spaced perfectly because it spreads when cooked anyways. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until the topping is golden brown. And that's it! You can eat it while it's warm or cold. I like serving it still warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. It's so good! Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.